Hi everyone. I want to share a guided visualization that I use when I'm stuck in overthinking or people pleasing. It helps me separate my inner critics from my deeper truths. And then decisions aren't just easier, they're aligned, which brings actual peace and confidence, even when the way forward isn't easy. So let's begin. Get comfy, sitting or lying down. I like to close my eyes, but you could also watch the waves. And notice your breathing, feeling it rising and falling. No need to change anything yet. Just notice. If it feels comfortable, place one hand on your belly and invite the breath a little deeper, all the way into your belly, and then gently out. Inhale, feeling your hand rise. Exhale, and feel your body soften. As you breathe, begin to notice, where is your body holding tension? Start with your forehead. Can you let those muscles go? Just a little. Your jaw, relaxing. The tongue resting in the mouth. Let all of it loosen. Just a little more. And bring your attention to your shoulders. Maybe give them a wiggle. Down to your chest. Take a slow, full breath in. Let your ribs expand. And as you breathe out, feel them release. Now your belly, your hand still rising and falling. Your back, let the muscles drop. And feel the weight of your legs, your body being supported. Let your whole body begin to soften with the rhythm of the waves. There is nothing to figure out right now. Just be here, breathing, softening. Now begin to imagine a place that feels completely safe. It might be somewhere real, maybe from your childhood, or it might be a place you've never been, but that lives inside you. Somewhere touched only by beauty, by life, and love. Start to look around. What do you see? How far can you see? Let all the details begin to fill in. What is the light like here? Can you feel the sun on your face? Or are there stars shining overhead? What's the temperature? Is there a breeze? Maybe a scent floating on the air. Can you hear anything? Birdsong? The leaves rustling in the wind? Or is there a quiet stillness? Take a deep breath and let yourself rest into this place that knows you. What is the ground like beneath your feet? Maybe it's soft and grassy, or solid, steady beneath you. Can you reach out and touch something nearby? Something that makes you smile? This place welcomes you back. You are safe here, and you can rest for a while. Nothing to do. Nowhere to go. Just rest here. As you rest in this safe space, begin to notice a few rocks at your feet. Each rock is one of the conflicting voices in your overthinking mind. They are different sizes and shapes and weights. Gently reach for the rock that feels loudest. Maybe the one that's been repeating. Hold it in both hands and listen. What's the thought that this rock carries? You don't need to respond to it, just allow it to be heard. Where does this voice resonate in your body? What feeling comes with it? Fear? Sadness? Frustration? If this thought had a job, what might it be? Is it protecting you? Restraining you? Growing you? Whose voice does this remind you of, if anyone's? You don't have to accept or reject this thought. Just let it know you hear it. If you feel inclined, thank it for trying to help. And set the rock back down beside you gently. Now, if it feels okay, reach for another rock, another thought that's been circling. And again, what's the thought that this rock carries? Where do you feel that in your body? What emotion is attached to that? And what job is this thought doing for you? Is it helping you grow? Is it keeping you hidden? Does it echo anyone's voice from your past or present? Hold the rock with both hands. And if you feel inclined, thank it for serving you. And now set this rock down too. Let it rest. Let it be. And take a deep breath and let it go. Listen to the sounds around you in your safe space. In the distance, you see a being, a loving presence that knows you. And you may recognize them, or you may not. They might be an ancestor who watches over you, or a being of light, familiar yet unnamed. What's clear, they want only your genuine happiness. They have nothing to gain, no opinion to sway. They are not here to tell you what to do. They are simply here to be with you. Maybe you sit together for a while, just sharing a warm, safe embrace. Or lie back and watch the clouds drift by. The being sees your rocks nearby, and they softly reach out and touch each one with care. No judgment. Just a quiet knowing, and they know your heart. And they love you exactly as you are. They lean in close and whisper something softly. They're words you already know, but you need to hear them spoken out loud. Listen. And as they step back, they place something in your hands. A small piece of paper. And you watch them begin to walk. Slowly, gently. Not away from you, but back into that place that holds them. You know they're never far, and they always come when they're needed. When they've gone, you open the paper and read the questions they've left for you. Is there a rock that you can leave here? A thought that's no longer serving you? And if you didn't have to prove anything to anyone, what would you move toward? Let the questions rest with you. Just notice what stirs. And now begin to notice the space around you again, the rhythm of your breath, the feeling of your body, where you are, the sound of the waves. You don't have to know all the answers right now. Just keep listening. And let yourself return slowly, bringing with you what feels true. And maybe offer a quiet thank you to the space, to your breath, to whatever in you was willing to show up today. There's nothing you have to do yet. No right next step. You know two things. What thought no longer serves you and could be left behind? And what would you move toward if there was nothing to prove? The invitation is always open to return again. I hope that experience was connecting for you. And if it was, please like or subscribe, because it does help YouTube and I connect with the right people. If there's a different visualization you'd like for the future, then definitely add it in the comments and I'll add it to my list for future videos. Or if you're looking for a place to go deeper, one-on-one companioning is available. So just check out in the description for more info. In any case, thank you for coming out today. Until next time, I wish you much peace.